Hey everyone, this is Mo here. One of the RV parks that we're working on. It's a deploy fiber. So we got the box ready. We put the stickers on just for safety. And the drop, it's already underneath the house. Well, it's not all of it yet because we still have to drag some of it out. We're gonna fix this entry. Once we're done, we put it back. This one here, we're gonna put it back. And spool of 2 mile almost done. We'll get some more coming and keep it rolling. Hello everyone, this is Mo, and today we're doing an install. This place is vacant, so we're preparing it for the next client. Here we have the box. It is our fiber coming in from splicing box to a diagnostic connector. Now we're gonna connect this from here. We drilled the hole already to the inside, so we're gonna make our patch cable from here to the other side. We put this box as close as possible to a power outlet. That way it will be easy to connect. Let's go in. So what happened here, any mobile home that is vacant, ready to be rented, we'll install everything in it. And that way, there you go, this is the other one. That way when somebody moved in, it'll be just an easy hookup. So, alright, let me go ahead, get the patch cable and start working on it.